Learn English fast with my Slow English podcast. Just listen and repeat. Today's topic: saying hello and goodbye. Part 1: saying hello in the morning. Good morning. How are you today? Did you sleep well? You look fresh and happy. It's a beautiful day, right? Part 2: saying hello in the afternoon. Hey there. Good afternoon. How's your day going? Are you busy today? It's nice to see you again. Part 3: saying hello at night. Good evening. You look tired. Long day, huh? I hope you can rest soon. How was your day? Part 4: greeting friends. Hey, buddy. What's up? How have you been? It's been a while. I missed you, man. Part 5: greeting politely. Hello. It's nice to meet you. How do you do? I've heard a lot about you. Hope we can work together. Part 6: responding to greetings. Hi, I'm good, thanks. How about you? I'm happy to see you. It's been a good day. I hope yours is too. Now it's your turn. Just listen and repeat. It's a beautiful day, right? Good afternoon. Are you busy today? It's nice to see you again. Long day, huh? How was your day? What's up? Part 7: saying goodbye. See you later. Catch you soon. Take it easy. Don't work too hard. Bye for now. Part 8: saying goodbye. Goodbye. Have a nice day. It was great talking to you. Hope to see you again. Take care of yourself. Part 9: saying goodbye at night. Good night. Sleep well. Sweet dreams. Don't stay up too late. See you tomorrow. Part 10: saying goodbye to friends. Alright, man, I gotta go. Talk to you later. Text me when you're free. It was fun hanging out. Bye, bro. Part 11: saying goodbye at work or class. Okay, everyone, that's all for today. See you next time. Have a great evening. Don't forget your homework. Take care, everyone. Part 12. Ending the conversation kindly. It was nice talking to you. I always enjoy our chats. Let's talk again soon. Have a wonderful day. See you around. It's your turn again. Listen and repeat after me. See you later. Don't work too hard. Bye for now. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Good night. Sweet dreams. It was fun hanging out. Bye, bro. Okay, everyone, that's all for today. Have a great evening. I always enjoy our chats. Let's talk again soon. See you around. Perfect. Okay, everyone, that was all for today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You can easily listen and learn English from my channel. Have a great day or night. Bye.